Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kynthei University, Meghalaya.
Ka Tornado Security Agency Training Center kabadan halum Honsen Mauyong Rim sashi sien kabalongga kap kaba arpo kalapun kuburam ya ka passing out parade na kabentahan riu po hunriu ngut kikna kibalayo jeng ai jeng hikai pentebit yalade ban long ginong up pahara na ka Tornado Security Agency Training Center. Ikong RM Kurba IAS Commissioner and Secretary Home Police ilalong ka Kongsan rengkat ka jingidon lang ki wei ki kenrem kilendan kumjuru u Director ka Tornado Security Agency uba Arnold M Lanong lembat ki kimegi pa jong ini ki Samla ki wei ki balaban yo jing hikai hangni ki kentup ya ki Fire and Emergency Service Scouts kumjuru ki jingilek kai sports.
Ya Jarod. Dangme kading menaru i. Entah apa dangme yang kading. Boleh. Hah? Nomor berapa? Powder? Expire. Tuh. Powder kala expire. Kamlong clean chu.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shynrang is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.